of Federal Republic of Germany to Kenya, and who also sits in as the co-chairperson of the Devolution Donor Working Group. Karibu sana Balozi.
Asante sana Bwana MC, Your Excellency President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samuel Ruto, Chairman of the Council of Governors Ahmed Abdullahi, my dear friend Gladys, Governor of Homa Bay, who is hosting us today, all the other governors, members of the Kenyan government. I've seen Waziri Opio and his colleagues, PS, members of parliament, my fellow diplomats. Good morning and hamjambo. It's a great honor to join you at this year's Devolution Conference, and I would like to congratulate all the decision makers that chose Homa Bay for this year. I come often to this region, to Kisumu, to Migori, Siaya, and Homa Bay. And the more often I come, the more I love the region, the people, and also the food. Ahero rech, gi kuon, gi osuga. And I sincerely thank you for the invitation to this important gathering and for the opportunity to engage with you. It is my deep belief that the counties, the governors, the MCAs, the local administrations are the real champions of Kenya's evolved system of governance. And devolution truly has transformed Kenya in the last decade, bringing decision-making closer to communities and expanding opportunities for citizen engagement. From health to infrastructure to agriculture and climate resilience, the impact of devolution is tangible across the country. As development partners, we commend county governors and county assemblies for your leadership in advancing this transformative agenda. We also salute the Council of Governors and the State Department for Devolution, the Office of the Deputy President, for its vital role in fostering coordination among counties and the national government. The Devolution Conference is the central platform for recommitment to deepen and further develop devolution. And I think the theme of this year's Gathering for the People for Prosperity, Devolution is a catalyst for equity, inclusion, and social justice, powerfully captures what is at stake. After more than a decade of institution building, time has come to focus on devolution's ultimate purpose, improving the lives of the citizens of the wananchi of this beautiful country of Kenya. And we have seen in the last month and 1.5 years the importance of listening to the voices of these wananchis, especially the young people who are invested in the future of their country, and creating meaningful spaces for engagement and responsiveness, including and especially on the county level, remains essential to building trust and strengthening democratic governance. Germany, through our technical cooperation agency, GIZ and KfW, is pleased to co-chair the Devolution Donor Working Group together with UNDP. And as development partners in the devolution space, we, the Devolution Donor Working Group, we would like to highlight a number of critical areas to the further success of the devolution. Firstly, as partners, we are convinced that the timely transfer of funds from the national to county governments is essential. Reliable resource flows are essential for counties to effectively deliver on their mandates and meet citizens' expectations. And I can tell you from the German experience that we know that this is not a very easy task. We have very rich regions like Bavaria and poorer ones in the northeast of the country. And every year there's a struggle for resources because in our constitution, we have an obligation to equilibrate the conditions of living in the whole country. But of course, you give from the one and take from the one and give it to the others is always a very complex discussion, and also on the level of the federal government to the 16 regions that we have in Germany. But still it is essential for federalism or for devolution and decentralization. Secondly, we encourage increased efforts to generate own resource revenue with counties. Strengthening revenue collection systems is key to meeting development needs and reducing dependency on national allocations. And during the tour of the booth, we have seen very impressive technological advances that make it easier for the counties also to tap into these resources. Thirdly, we emphasize the importance of strengthening public financial management, transparency, and accountability. Responsible resource use is fundamental to delivering concrete results. And finally, we underline the need for meaningful public participation, especially by women, youth, and persons with disabilities. Their voices must be heard and included to ensure truly inclusive and responsive governance. Be assured, governors, MCAs, National Government of Kenya, Your Excellency the President, of our cooperation and our willingness in pursuing these important priorities. Our commitment to supporting devolution and deepening this partnership with the counties is strong. For Germany, devolution is one of our development cooperation priority areas. We are active in basically all the counties with different initiatives. One of them is a very important one. It's called FLOCA. It should strengthen the climate resilience on the local level, and I will visit some of these projects tomorrow in Kisumu County. To conclude, let me thank you once again for this important gathering. We enter now 3 days of discussion and reflection, but let us remember, devolution is not an event. Devolution is a continuous process, but strengthening institutions that deliver and that respond to citizens' needs, and about upholding a genuine partnership also between government and the people, and between government and counties and the development partners. It is in this process that I wish all attendees a successful and inspiring Devolution Conference 2025. Be assured that the partners remain committed. We will travel this journey together, and I'm very much looking forward to our cooperation. Thank you very much. Asanteni sana. Kamano.
Thank you very much, Balozi. Another round of appreciation for Balozi. Your Excellency, county assemblies play a very critical role in the devolution family, and I now want to invite the chairperson of the County Assemblies Forum, CAF, Honorable Seth Mwatela, to come and make his remarks, but also recognize the county assemblies members present. Karibu sana, Bwana Speaker.